So hi there students, welcome back to another video lesson. So after nating i-discuss yung topics on sequences, so yung next topic natin for week 6 will be division of polynomials. But before that, let's have a short review on polynomials. So for the lesson objectives, of course, we will be defining polynomials. We will also be illustrating polynomials and non-polynomials. And of course, we will write polynomials in standard form. So what is a polynomial? A polynomial expression p of x is an expression of the form a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 up to a sub 1 x plus a sub 0 where a sub n is not equal to 0, where n is a non-negative integer called the degree of the polynomial and coefficients a sub 0, a sub 1 up to a sub n are real numbers. Okay, so wherein n is a non-negative integer. So, kailangan po kapag polynomial, non-negative integer, ibig sabihin po kailangan positive po yung mga exponents. So, hindi po tinatanggap dito yung mga negative exponents. So, let's have examples of polynomials. Number 1, 3x to the 4th power minus 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus x minus 15. As you can see, yung mga exponents or powers ng ating mga terms ng given polynomials ay puro mga positive. So, this is a polynomial. So, let's identify the leading term. So, the leading term po, ibig sabihin po ng leading term is yung term na nasa unahan. Okay, so the leading term for this given polynomial is 3x to the 4th power. If the leading term is 3x to the 4th power, therefore the leading coefficient is 3. Okay. What about the constant term? So the constant term is usually written at the end of every polynomial. So the constant term is negative 15. So yung constant term wala po siyang variable. And then of course, the degree, the polynomial is the highest degree. So ang degree po natin dito is 4. Next, what about negative 7x to the 5th power plus 11x to the 4th power minus 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 9x plus 8. So yung leading term po natin dito is negative 7x to the 5th power. And then yung leading coefficient naman natin is negative 7. So the leading coefficient po, yung pong numerical coefficient ng leading term. Next, yung constant term naman po natin is 8. What about the degree? So the degree is the highest degree among the terms of the given polynomial, and that is 5. What else? 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus square root of 3x plus 20. Okay. So the leading term is 2x cubed. And then the leading coefficient is 2. What about the constant term? So the constant term is 20. And then the degree of the polynomial is 3. So number 4, as you can see, yung mga numerical coefficients ng ibang terms natin dito is mga fractions. So wala pong problema kung yung mga numerical coefficients po natin ay fractions as long as yung mga powers or exponents ay positive. So bawal po dito yung negative as well as yung mga fractional exponents. So the leading coefficient or leading term, the given polynomial is negative 2/3 x to the 5th power. What about the leading coefficient? The leading coefficient is negative 2/3. The constant term is written at the end of every polynomial expression, and that is 27. What about the degree? So the degree is the highest degree. among the terms, and that is 5. So if we have examples of polynomials, we also have examples of non-polynomials. Number 1, 3x raised to negative 4 plus 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 10. So paano naging non-polynomials to? It's because dun sa exponent na negative 4. Again, based sa definition ng polynomials, kailangan po yung n, yung exponent or powers, dapat non-negative integer. So kailangan lagi pong positive. So, number 1 is not a polynomial. Next, number 2, negative 5x raised to the 4th power plus 8x squared plus 9 square root of x plus 17. So, ang number 2 naman po, paano siya naging non-polynomial? It's because dun po sa square root of x. So, kapag ang square root of x, tinransform natin siya as exponential form. In an exponential form, magiging ganito po siya, x raised to 1/2. Again, bawal po ang fractional exponents. So, kailangan po non-negative integers lang po. Kahit na hindi siya negative, fractional naman siya. And yung mga integers po kasi kailangan whole numbers po sila. And last example, 4 over x cubed minus 2 over x squared minus 1 over x plus 6. So, kapag nire-write po natin yan, magiging ganito po siya. 4x raised to negative 3 minus 2x raised to negative 2 minus 1 or minus x raised to negative 1 plus 6. As you can see, yung mga terms natin, yung mga exponents nila or powers nila ay puro mga negative. So, hindi po pwedeng maging polynomials yung mga yan. Standard form of polynomials. Polynomials can be written in any order. To write a polynomial in standard form, arrange the terms in decreasing powers. So, kahit na yung mga polynomials hindi naka-arrange in order, so pwede pa rin po natin silang i-classify as polynomials. However, if we want to write the polynomial in standard form, kailangan natin i-arrange yung mga terms in decreasing powers. So, yung mga terms po, tingin po tayo dun sa mga exponents, dapat pababa po yun. So, kapag nag-start ka sa cube, kailangan ang kasunod niya squared, and then 1 until such time, constant term na lang. So, example number 1 para mas maintindihan yung sinabi ko kanina. Negative 13 minus 2x plus 6x squared plus 2x cubed plus 4x to the 4th power minus 5x to the 5th power. Again, to write a polynomial in standard form, kailangan po yung mga terms naka-arrange in decreasing powers, pababa. Okay, as you can see, yung mga powers po natin, yung mga terms ng powers is increasing. So, ang gagawin lang po natin yan, i-arrange natin, ibig sabihin, ang mauuna po dapat is yung negative 5x to the 5th power and then 4x to the 4th power hanggang dun sa constant term natin na negative 13. So, i-arrange po natin as negative 5x raised to the 5th power plus 4x to the 4th power plus 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 2x minus 13. The polynomial now is written in standard form. Yung nauna po natin, yung given po natin kanina, polynomial po yan. However, it is not written in standard form. So, bakit natin diniscuss yung standard form of polynomials? Kasi po, kapag nag-divide po tayo ng mga polynomials, there are some given na hindi nakasulat sa standard form. Kasi, kahit na alam mong i-divide yung polynomial, pero hindi naman nakasulat sa standard form yung polynomials, mali pa rin po yung sagot. Next, number 2, 7x cubed plus 6x squared minus 12 plus 4x to the 4th power minus 15x. So, among the terms of the given polynomial, the highest degree is 4. Okay, so ang sulat po natin, ganito siya, 4x to the 4th power. Ang kasunod ng 4 is yung 3. So, plus 7x cubed. And then, katapos ng 3, yung 2. So, plus 6x squared. Tapos ng 2, 1. That is 15x. So, since meron po siyang negative dito na naka-attach, kasama po yun sa isusulat. So, negative 15x. So, kapag sinulat lang po natin is 15x or plus 15x, hindi kasama yung negative, mali na po agad yun. And then, the constant term, negative 12. So, this will be our final answer. And then, number 3, x raised to the 4th power plus square root of 5x plus 16x cubed plus 3 minus 15x squared. So, kanina, meron tayo dun example ng mga polynomials at non-polynomials kung saan meron tayong nakitang radical. Okay. So, dun po, ang naka-radical po natin doon is yung mismong variable. So, dito po yung ating numerical coefficient. So, kapag numerical coefficient po, okay lang po. Basta wag lang po yung variables. Okay, so i-arrange natin. Una, yung highest degree natin is 4. So, x to the 4th power. And then, after 4, yung 3 plus 16x cubed. After ng x cubed, x squared. So, negative 15x squared. After ng squared, yung 1. So, that is plus square root of 5x. And then, yung constant term natin na 3. So, this will be our final answer. So, for our last example, 2/3 x cubed minus 16x squared minus 11 minus 15x to the 5th power plus 9x. So, based sa mga exponent natin dito, yung highest degree is yung 5. Okay, so since negative siya, kasama po sa isusulat natin is yung negative. So, negative 15x to the 5th power. And then, katapos ng 5, yung 4, since wala tayong 4, move tayo dun sa 3, that is plus 2/3 x cubed. And then, after ng 3 is yung 2, so negative 16x squared. And then, yung x plus 9x. And then, pinakahuli yung constant term, negative 11. So, this will be our final answer. So, there are some instances na yung given polynomial natin, wala po siyang constant term. So, wala naman pong kaso yon as long as sinusulat natin siya in standard form. Okay. So, meron din namang mga terms na maaring mawala. Okay. Kagaya kanina, wala po tayong x to the 4th power. Kaya ang kasunod po ng x to the 5th power is x cubed. So, again, yan po ang tamang pagsulat ng mga polynomials in standard form. So, take note nyo po yan kasi sa division of polynomials, kakailanganin nyo po yan. Like for example, kapag hindi nakasulat in standard form at yung may mga terms na nawawala. So, I hope naging clear po yung ating discussion regarding polynomials. So, short review lang po yan. At least meron kayong guide sa pag-solve ng division of polynomials. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. So, after natin i-discuss yung polynomials na yan, yung short review, so, dako na tayo dun sa pinaka-main topic natin, which is division of polynomials using long method. So, there are two methods na i-discuss ko sa inyo. So, yung una is yung long method, and then, of course, ano ang kabaligtaran ng long method? And that is short method. So, ang tawag po dun sa short method na yan is synthetic division method, which will be further discussed on the next video lessons. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.